You won't believe how much this cybersecurity stock rocketed today. CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company that detects and prevents threats for the cloud computing era. They use machine learning against malware on mobile devices, laptops, and other devices that connect to corporate networks. Some of their largest clients are prominent Fortune 500 companies like Verizon, ADP, or Amgen, and it's seen by many analysts as one of the likely winners for the growing adoption of generative AI. The cybersecurity market is booming and has grown over 30 times over the last 13 years. CrowdStrike is coming off of strong earnings and an analyst day where they raised their fiscal targets. They have a strong history of beating their earnings expectations, and for the fiscal year 2024, their annual earnings are expected to surge 84% year over year. Although they're technically not profitable yet, their sales were up 37% and their earnings per share 106% year over year. The stock was up 7% today as one of the top performers in the S&P 500 and is up over 71% this year to date in 2023. It's also up 175% over the last 5 years, clearly outperforming the market. Do you think CrowdStrike will continue to rally?